In the video you will see the three most important volcanic eruptions that happened to the island, and you can see how these eruptions have changed Santorini's geomorphology throughout the years. After the video you can see the info kiosk for more information about the geomorphological characteristics of Santorini.
Cool, thank you. So this graphic shows you the evolution of Santorini. That is how Santorini became, how it came from nothing, from plain sea, plain ocean. You know, we had the volcanic eruption, you know, that's where the land came from. And from the volcanic eruptions, you know, was birthed this city or this town today, Santorini, that we're currently on. So it was a great depiction of such an evolution, you know, of land space and water space in general.
C'est une question intéressante. D'où a commencé la légende de l'Atlantide? Tout a commencé de moi, bien sûr. Je suis la seule et unique source de cette histoire. Approximativement en 360 avant Jésus-Christ, dans mes dialogues, Critias écrit: je fais référence à un empire puissant et admirable qui dominait l'île ainsi que de nombreuses autres îles et parties du continent de l'autre côté, Atlantis. Plus tard, cependant, il y a eu des tremblements de terre et des inondations, et au cours d'une journée et d'une nuit terrifiante, l'île de l'Atlantide a été...
So as you watch this graphic, you see that, you know, how the eruption kick-started the whole formation of Santorini today, and how the caldera was formed, and, you know, the volcanic eruption continued. And in the last 150 years, you know, there's been a lot of evolutions that has now led to what Santorini is today. So it's just such a beautiful experience to see.